Sanibonani babuyele emakhaya, igama lami u-Andile N, umphathi weBanathi Studios. Namhlanje sizokhuluma abangani abagodi noma sebefyula ngaphandle abangani abanjalo. Ningixolele ngibhale phansi ngoba ngifuna ukukhohlwa njengoRomsa lo onemankinga yokukhohlwa. Isihloko sami sithi, what are the true friends do? Nginey'namba la 1 up to 10. Number 1. True friends support each other through good times and bad times. Number 2. They listen without judgment. Number 3. They offer honest advice. Number 4. They are always there when you need them. Number 5. They celebrate your success. Number 6. They lift you up when you're feeling down. Number 7. They stand by your side no matter what. Number 8. True friends support and respect each other. Number 9. They communicate openly and honestly. Number 10. They make an effort to maintain the friendship through time and distance. Babukeli, sengifike number 10. Sengifikile. So uma ukhona efuna ukusho noma efuna ukuthi sikhulume ngakho, singakhuluma ngakho. Manifuna sikhulume nangenhlonipho, sizoyifana nenhlonipho. Ngiyakhomenta nisho ukuthi sifuna sikhulume ngani episode elandelayo. Engicelayo sinakhohlwa subscribe, ukulike, ucomment nokushare. Share ichannel lethu. See you on episode 2. Thank you.